Do you also want to do Telly Bridge like this? So you are at the right video. So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today I'm going to teach you how to Telly Bridge on phone. So let's get started. Well, first you have seen my 2 clips of Telly Bridge. You also can do like mine. After 2 or 4 months of practice. See, Telly is not that skill that you learn into 2-3 weeks. It's very hard, that's why it takes a lot of time and practice. So don't give up in 1 or 2 months. So first let me tell you what Telly Bridging actually is. If you don't know, it's a bridging method which allows you to travel 6 blocks per second. Let me tell you how to do this. First you jump, then turn 180 degrees, then place blocks below you and hold S. Then turn 135 degrees and jump and repeat it. There's also one more type of Telly. It's called God Bridge Start Telly. To do this, start with God Bridge and then Telly. Let me show you how. First start, then do 3-2 for blocks God Bridge. Then start normal Telly. And for doing Telly you have to get consistent in these 3 things. First is 1. CPS, 2. Aim, 3. Timing. So let's move on to CPS. CPS is a very main thing for Telly Bridging. In normal Telly you only need 15 to 17 CPS, and in speed Telly you only need about 14. 15 is enough for speed Telly and 17 is enough for Telly, so don't try to get more than this. Because more CPS in Telly like 30 is not good. If you get that, then the blocks will be placed in that block you are standing on. So now let's move on to aim. Well, aim is also a very important Telly Bridging. And I am also using keystrokes for this part. So let me tell you where you have to aim from. See, when you do your first jump, from here turn a little bit down. Now from here you can aim here or here. For starting, aim from here, and you can do this. Now at the second Telly, aim a little bit up. And go on. And guys, I also have one more thing to tell you. See, you can do Telly Bridge in 2 ways. First by holding space. Or time click space. Let me show you how. First like this. Or hold space. So now let's move on to timing. So now I will explain the timing and everything for Telly Bridging in Minecraft. Telly Bridging is all about perfect rhythm. The timing between placing blocks and moving backward. You need to aim your crusher slightly below the block edge. Press right click fast to place. And instantly release the S key to let your player move back naturally. So the perfect timing is click, let go of S, place tap S, again repeat. If you hold S too long, you'll fall. If you're too slow, you'll stop. And also do not turn too fast or too slow. You should also time your clicks around 10-14 CPS. Not too fast or it'll mess up block placement. Keep practicing in rhythm, watch your hand flow, and muscle memory will build up. That's the key to smooth, clean Telly Bridge. And also guys, tell me which island I should buy in 25k coins. I collected these coins while recording this video. For tip. So now I am going to give you some tips for Telly Bridging. 1. Perfect your timing. Place blocks right before your jump lands. If you place too early or late, you'll miss the bridge. 2. Use sprint reset tricks. Tap your movement key W in rhythm to keep your sprint consistent during each jump. 3. Lower mouse sensitivity. Slightly lowering your sensitivity can make aiming more precise while moving fast. And the last thing, where you have to practice, here are some premium and popular bridging server. And here are some crack. That's all, thanks for watching.